Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial, using Facebook SDK for Java mobile development. Introduction. Integrating Facebook into a Java mobile application allows you to leverage social features such as user authentication, sharing content, and accessing user data. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of integrating the Facebook SDK into a Java mobile app. ### prerequisites. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your machine. 2 An integrated development environment, IDE, like Android Studio or Eclipse. 3 An active Facebook developer account. You need to create a Facebook app to obtain the app ID and secret. ### Step 1, set up your Facebook app. 1 Go to the Facebook for Developers, https://developers.facebook.com, page. 2 Create a new app by clicking on My Apps Create App. 3 Choose the app type, example consumer. 4 Fill in your app details and click Create App ID. 5 After creating the app, navigate to the Settings Basic section and note your app ID and app secret. ### Step 2, add Facebook SDK to your project. For Java mobile development, you typically use the Facebook SDK for Android. Follow these steps to include it in your project. 1 Gradle dependency. If you're using Android Studio, add the following line to your build.gradle file. Make sure to replace latest version with the latest version number from the Facebook SDK releases, https://github.com/facebook/Facebook-android-SDK/releases. 2 Sync your project to download the SDK. ### Step 3, configure your app for Facebook login. 1 In your app's androidmanifest.xml, add the following permissions and metadata. 2 Add your Facebook app ID to res/values/strings.xml. ### Step 4, implement Facebook login. 1 Initialize the Facebook SDK in your main activity. 2 Add login button in your layout XML file, activity_main.xml. 3 Handle login in main activity. ### Step 5, testing your app. 1 Run your application on an emulator or a physical device. 2 Click the Facebook login button. You should see a Facebook login dialog. Enter your credentials to log in. 3 Handle the login result in the on success, on cancel, and on error methods. ### Conclusion. Now you have a basic implementation of Facebook login in your Java mobile application. You can expand this functionality to include additional features such as sharing content, fetching user profile information, etc. ### Additional resources. Facebook for Developers, https://developers.facebook.com/docs. Facebook SDK for Android, https://developers.facebook.com/docs/android. Facebook login documentation, https://developers.facebook.com/docs/facebook-login/android. Feel free to explore these resources for deeper insights into the Facebook SDK and its capabilities.